Alright guys, well here we are. You joined me in the Stinger. Yeah, I mean the title of this video is going to be pretty vague, but essentially if you're watching this, well, I guess if I've posted this, it means that I have sold the Stinger. Yeah. Wow, my camera is not doing great. That's nice. Anyways, yeah, we're here in the Stinger. I don't know. It's a video I didn't want to make, but here we are. Yeah, so life changes, and where my life is right now, it doesn't make sense for me to keep the car. I'm getting pretty good money for it, so yeah, I think it's time. I can use the money for other important things in my life, and I don't know. Yeah, life just changes, needs change. This car is, like, it's not expensive to own, but it's relatively expensive to own for what it is. I mean, my warranty ran out last year, so if anything goes wrong, it's totally on me now. Insurance is just crazy expensive if you have one in Colorado well, I know why. Because Kias are the #1 stolen car here, even though the Stinger's not. Insurance companies don't care, so yeah, insurance is ridiculously expensive for it here. My warranty's expired, so again, it's just, if anything does go wrong, which nothing has, but I mean, if I keep it forever, eventually something will go wrong, and it will be expensive to fix, because it's a specialty car, and all the parts are special, and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, long story short, the Stinger is going, or has gone. If I've posted this video, that means it's already sold. So, yeah, I don't know. I didn't need to make this video, but I just wanted to make it, I guess, just to kind of close the chapter of the car, because I've made a whole series of, oh, I bought it, and I drove it home to Austin, and then I moved to Colorado with it, and then, I did the exhaust, and I did this and did that, and there's the whole playlist of the, experience or whatever, journey with the car. So I feel like I need to make a closing chapter video too, I guess. I'm not doing anything with the car in the video because I am selling it, so I need to not be driving it, but yeah, I mean, this is just my closing the chapter of the car. It was fantastic. I really like it. The GTS in orange is just, it's amazing. There could be one in the future again, when my life is in a position where I can get another one, and it would make sense. Excuse me. But, yeah, right now it just, it makes more sense to get rid of it than it does to keep it, unfortunately. So, yeah, for those of you who have reached out to me on my Stinger videos asking about, exhaust and whatever, and like the whole recall just everything, thank you for participating in that. It was really cool to meet a lot of other Stinger owners through owning this car, even virtually, even over YouTube and Instagram and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It's a really cool car. I think it's very underrated and underappreciated because it's a Kia, which, like, I get it. It's a Kia. But I think it's a really cool car. So, yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. It's just, it's time to say goodbye to the car, and it's been a fun 3 years with it. Um, you know, I am sad to be parting with it, but again, things change, life happens, and I could probably get another one in the future, so I'm not too worried about it. Problem is, I'm probably going to have to get a GTS in the future because the orange is just amazing. I'm kind of spoiled on that. But yeah, anyways, so that's kind of it. I don't know. I'll get another car at some point, but yeah, that's it for now. So, can say goodbye to the car. It's yeah, had a lot of good memories in this thing. It's the first car I slept in its trunk. But I mean, I drove it across the country multiple times. You know, it's the first car I ever bought that I did any mods to. You know, it was really the entry into my, like, owning a cool car thing. And it will always be my first cool car. So, yeah, I'm extremely grateful to have owned it. And we'll see what happens next. But, yep, that's it. So, bye.